In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a branded email to Gmail. This is particularly useful if you're managing business emails and want the convenience of accessing all your messages in one place without having to switch between multiple accounts. Integrating it with Gmail gives you that simplicity and ease of access. Plus, Gmail offers extensive features like search, filters, and storage that elevate your email experience. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner where you'll see the gear icon, which is your entryway to settings. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. Once you've reached the settings page, look for the Accounts and Import tab. This is where you'll be able to manage linking your branded email to Gmail. Scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Here, you'll need to click on Add a Mail Account to proceed with the integration. A pop-up window should appear asking for your email address. Type in the full address of your branded email account that you want to connect. After entering it, click Next. You'll be presented with a few options on how you wish to connect the account. Choose Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3, and continue the process. Next, you'll need to fill in some server information to help Gmail retrieve your emails properly. Enter the password for your branded email account. You'll also need to specify the POP server details. This is typically provided by your email service provider. Make sure you choose to leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server, ensuring your emails remain on the original server too. This can be a helpful backup. Below the server information, there's an option to label incoming messages. This is a great way to identify where each email is coming from at a glance. Simply check the box and select a label that makes sense for you, such as the name of your business. After you've input all the necessary details and are ready to proceed, hit Add Account. A confirmation should appear indicating Gmail is now fetching your emails from the branded account. Lastly, to send emails as your branded address from Gmail, you'll want to enable the Send Mail As feature. Within the Accounts and Import tab, find the Send Mail As section and click Add Another Email Address. Here you can provide your branded email address again, allowing you to draft emails directly from Gmail with your business identity. And there you have it. Your Gmail account is now linked with your branded email, providing a seamless experience whether you're checking or sending emails. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency that comes with everything being consolidated in one spot. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your email service provider for additional support. Thanks for watching, and good luck with managing your inbox.